Hello pro traders, welcome to my channel. It's Gwen of GW Pro, and in today I'm back to give you a full breakdown of the current situation we have with the Gbpchf and also what opportunities can present itself in the future and how you can take trade decisions and also manage your positions using the Elliot wave. All right, so let's get straight into this. All right, if you're new to my channel, I recommend that you subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so you will be receiving information whenever I post content such as this one. All right, so I come here on weekly basis, daily basis, and also to put up setups which I see and also the opportunities that market presents to me. So I come here to share it out for all my audience and for free, and all you just have to do is to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be receiving information whenever I post this content, and you can also plug into this content. All right, so let me give you a full breakdown of what is happening with the Gbpchf also and how I intend to approach this one in the current trading week. All right, so apart from the fact that we did see on a monthly time frame, all right, what also happened from monthly time frame, and we had a push, all right, for the Gbpchf, which at one point we could start to believe that whatever happened here completed, all right, that was far back 2015. All right, so but we're going to be looking at the smallest time frame, all right, for this one. All right, the small time frame for this one, we're going to be looking at what could happen here as a bit of consolidation. All right, what happened here was a bit of consolidation, and we could have a B, C. All right, so we're going to have an A, B, C, A, B, C. All right, so it's all the possibility. So we're looking at this one. So let me just go put up the. Okay, so we did have a consolidation in here. All right, we did have a consolidation in here, and it was a very strong one that pushed price to the upside. All right, and if we go down to look at the full breakdown of that consolidation right there, we could as well see that what we also had inside of that breakdown was an ABC. So let me just go put that up for you guys. ABC. All right, so we had a consolidation here which formed an ABC right there, which formed an A. So we have an A here. All right, we have an A here, so that formed an A. All right, so what we're looking for is a B. All right, so let me just go put this up here. All right, so that formed our A. And what we're looking for was a B, so we'll look for price dropping down to this one. All right, so that was the start of the wave. All right, so that was the start of the wave, and we had it that price from that point after making a wave A, B, or a 1, 2. Okay, so we can say that this is a 1, A, B, C for B or 2, right? And then price moved to the upside. So this was the very first start here, and price moved to the upside. All right, so we're going to be looking at the current situation we have just around this territory here. So I'm going to give you a breakdown of what also is happening with this one. What I'm looking at here for this one, I think after a drop from this point, price consolidated at some point, dropped again, so which then created in a leg. So this was the very first step of the impulse. All right, so here we also had the price made an A, B, and then C of the A, B leg. All right, so understand this, guys. So we have two setups right now. So we have the A leg, and we also have the B leg. All right, so we have the A here, and we have the B here. All right, so here price dropped down to this point, and we have the C. All right, price then moved in a three-wave move, and then we had LD. All right, so whatever is happening here is our X leg. All right, so I'm expecting that this is our X leg, and I expect from this point on that price should correct of some sort here and then drop to form a C leg. All right, that's what I expect to see of price. All right, so as always, when I'm coming out to the presentation, I always give you setups and also give you insight of how you intend to approach it, and also when things could go wrong. All right, so in this presentation, I'm going to give you the full breakdown. All right, so what we have here is an A, B right here, we have a C here, we have a D here, and we have an E here. So which then created the bigger A. So I'm looking at the bigger A here. All right, so I'm looking at A, all right, or W. So I'm just going to go put that up as W right there. All right, So we go put that as W because this could either be a flat or a flat pattern, all right, for W, and we're looking at any X, which could be any three-wave move, all right. So if you look at the lower time frame of this, we can have a three-wave move, which is ABC for A, B, and then C, all right. So we have three-wave move in here for an X. So what we are currently looking at the moment, we are looking at what could be an ABC for A, okay, an ABC for A, an ABC for A, and currently we are working out a leading structure here, which created A, B, C, D, and then E to form the A leg. All right, so what we're looking at here, looking at A, B, C, D, E, which created our E. So we're looking at the end of the C leg, all right, of this A, B, and then C. All right, so that's what we're looking at. I'm waiting for the point where price would stop moving, all right, then to complete the pattern. All right, so I'm looking at that point there, A, looking at B right here, I'm looking at C. All right, so if price would complete inside of this zone and also considering previous structure here, all right, just around there, and then we could start to draw a trading plan. All right, so start to draw a trading plan, and what I intend to do, what I'm looking at doing for this one, I think for this one, if price is done here, all right, what I want to see is a small consolidation here. I want to see small consolidation here. So I'm going to start by putting up my levels. I'm going to have to label this cleanly. Right, so I'm going to put up a leg, okay, because if I'm expecting that this is going to be the start of the first impulse, so that's going to be my A leg. All right, I'm going to expect that to be my A leg. So what I'm going to be looking for is I'm going to be looking for A. All right, I'm going to be looking for working out an ABC, all right, for a B leg. So I'm going to be looking at working out a B. All right, so I'm going to be looking at working out a B, as you can see nicely. I'm going to be looking at working out a C right there. Okay, so at the moment, I do not know, all right, if this C leg, which I'm actually predicting right here, is going to hold. All right, so I don't need to know if it's going to hold, but what I do know is that at a point where price doesn't break this previous structure here or this previous high that was created on Friday last week, or if price doesn't break that structure there, at a break of this point is where I want to put my pending sell stop. All right, that's how I take my trade. All right, so I'm going to look at this one as a consolidation here to form my A and then to form my B. All right, then I look at price then rallying, all right, to downside. All right, I can look at the A1, I can look at the ABC for 2. All right, it's still a possibility. So you can be looking at this as anything you want to look at it. All right, but one of the things I do most times, and I tell traders to do most times, is when you are trading or you take trading as driving. All right, so trading to me, it's more of a real life rather than a demo game. All right, so I'm going to have to take only decisions that fit my personality. All right, so that's what I want to do. I want to take trading decisions that fits my personality. What I'm going to be doing for this one, so I'm going to be putting up a sell stop. All right, as always, I'm going to put up a sell stop here, and just go ahead, put sell stop. Okay, so I'm going to be entering here, right here. All right, so I'm going to just put up sell stop there. All right, okay. All right, so I'm going to put up sell stop there. Just going to take this out. Okay, so I'm going to put up sell stop here. All right, so I don't know what's going to happen up there. All right, I don't know what's going to happen up there if price is going to continue making up rises. All right, so that's not my concern for now. If price is going to make up rises, I don't know. All right, so but what I do know is that I'm going to wait. If price commits to me, then I will commit to the market. All right, so but if I don't have any commitment here, you can see that price will continue moving to the upside, and I will not be in a trade because that will be a missed trade, and it's not going to be a lost trade. All right, so there's a difference between a missed trade and a lost trade. So I'm going to put my stop loss just way above the previous high there. So I'm going to put my stop loss 1.274. All right, that was previous high 1.274. So you can see that was previous high. I'm going to put that up. All right, so that was previous high here, and then I'm going to be risking $28. All right, so that's what I'm going to be doing for that one. All right, on a Monday, and Okay, so also what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting up two positions. All right, I'm going to put up more than two positions for this one. So apart from that, I'm just going to go ahead put another position. So I'm going to go put another position right there. All right, so I'm going to put a pending sell stop. Okay, so I'm going to give you why I'm going to be doing this. So I'm going to put my first take profit at 1.261. All right, 1.261. All right. All right, so this is the zone which we had the B leg before previously. So I'm going to put my first take profit there, and you can see that this is going to be a break-even level, all right, or more than a break-even level. So I'm going to see this 65 pips, and I'm going to see this 54 pips. So this is more than a break-even level for me. For the very first take profit, all right, I'm going to do that. So for my second take profit, remember, I want to see price drop to the downside, having completed the A, B, and then the C. All right, I want to see price continue to make further drops. As always, if you watch my previous presentation on when I was talking about the setup that I've been using over the past 80 years, all right, so I'm going to give it to you here for this one. All right, so I'm going to put my second target at the W leg. All right, so this is the start of the W leg, which actually created the X leg. So you can go back to that analysis and then work that out. Okay, so I labeled the best trading strategy that can work in any market. So I'm going to come here. All right, so this is going to be my second take profit, 1.2478. All right, so 1.2478 is where I want to be. All right, for my second take profit. All right, 1.2478. Okay, so I'm going to go put that 1.2478. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. All right, that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to put that up. All right, so you can see that in total I will be risking, all right, in total I'll be risking 50 pips times 2. All right, so I'm going to be risking 50 pips times 2, which is going to be 100 pips, and I'm going to be looking at targeting 67 pips and also 210 pips, which is about 270 pips. So that's more of a 1:2.7 risk to reward trade, and it's okay and it's cool for me to set up nicely like that, and I'm just gonna have to wait. All right, so what we're gonna be doing next is we're gonna have to wait. All right, wait and then see how this play out. As you can see, that market is about to drop down, so let me just go see that. All right, so let me just go see that. All right, so it's about to drop down, and you can see that our analysis might not be in play. So we could see that if I'm going ahead to draw a channel such as this one, you can see that this also will create a breakout of the structure. So once the breakout is ready, we'll only look to take advantage of that breakout and we'll just look to plug in. All right, so see you with that one, and I wish you all the very best in your trading journey and also success in your trading career. And the best thing you can ever do for yourself is to learn how to trade on your own, all right, rather than having to give people money to trade for you. All right, so if you don't have the time to trade, you can look for a successful trader and then copy his trade. Don't give your money out, and copy his trade. So you can working with those that have a palm account. All right, so you can copy their trades and then you can start making profit. All right, leverage on their expertise. All right, not giving your money to someone, fund an account and then click and then copy those accounts. All right, that's what you want to be doing to make money. See you soon. I love you all, and then subscribe and like this video for more educational videos such as this one. All right, see you next time.